Have you caught anything yet? No! Have you lost any yet? Yeah! What's the biggest fish you caught? This big! Did you lose the bloody thing? Yeah, I did. Did you hear about the one that got away?
Yeah, we got him! Yeah, good on ya. Okay, so, oh, we got it all, Shaggers. We've got all the followers. If you want to get on the gravy train and follow Shag and a Rock, you got all the glamours starting to come on board. I only wish, but God, you got to love young, enthusiastic people in life. It's fantastic. And talk about enthusiasm, I tell you, I'm really enthusiastic about the opportunities that are bound through here. We've got a few people down already on the break wall through there, so scattering through there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 10 or 9 boats going through there, positioning themselves for the kingies that are being caught off there. Some really good kingfish are being caught, so get your live bait, get your gear, get some heavy pound line, and sit back, hang on and enjoy the ride when you get taken by one of them. A few kayakers have been going down there on the inside and working all the way to the wall. We've got a couple of boats already at the Yarra Bay Reef, which is pleasing. We're walking down now to the wharf with no regulatory signage from DPI, but I have to say some pleasing things from the Kamay Rangers, where they've actually seen logic and are now hopefully working with DPI to actually get those signs erected. We'll wait and see. I had a dream. Plenty of parking here at the moment. Again, as you can imagine, it's 6:30 in the morning and everyone's stacking up, going under the bridge, getting their gear ready. It's a wonderful day. The weather may change this afternoon with a few showers, they say, but getting down here now and taking opportunity of the early morning is always the best option down in this area. Looking at the beaches so far, we've got two fishermen on the beach at Frenchman's, again going for your whiting. Reports on the beaches so far been very, very sparse on the whiting, but again, the fishermen on the beaches that fish this area are very prickly, and they don't want to tell you too much about the one that they caught or the one that got away. We're walking down and we have a look at the Yarra Bay Point and the beach out through there. Really calm conditions, and these calm conditions again will prevail to a lightweight. Night times we've been catching squid, and the squid have been really dark, you know, really dark squids. You know, when you catch the squid, they're a light colour. It's like the colour of, they've been eating that much kelp or in the area. Yeah, they've been really dark squid. The Uzuri lures, etc, etc. I've even seen a couple of guys here using the cranker crabs down through here near the pylons. A very smart idea. Gentleman Steve has suggested that as well, to put a cranker crab there. Well, they're starting to do that down here with some success, with only a small squires taking it. None of the bigger brim who come around and want to really crush it at this stage. Reports this week from the Lapa is that a small chopper tailor have been caught and coming in play proportions sometimes, which has been annoying for a lot of the fishermen. The standard suspects of squire, couple of brim, 1 or 2 rat kings, and a few flathead, believe it or not. Just amazed of what you can catch. All right, so we'll walk down through here and we'll again let the camera do the talking, and we'll see how we all go and what the catch is and what's the aim of today. Looking at this, what a fantastic day. If you're in bed, you've already missed it, team. You should be here or plan for tomorrow. A really, really good day. Any luck? Nothing yet? No. Nah, nothing. Oh, okay, that's good. It always starts off quiet, but then starts pumping. A lot of good setups through here. You can see the families with the setups with those wagons. Well, but the days rather than carrying everything down, you've got an array of fishing rods. It's interesting, the fishing rods. Good selection of rods here. Reels, getting ready for comfort and throwing everything around. We've got a lot of set lines this morning, which is good. People have got their positions they want already. They want these positions. Some yellowtail, going for some yellowtail there through there. Any luck, boys? Nothing yet?
Nothing yet.
Come on, come on. We're up early enough. We should be getting them. They call me Captain Donut when I fish anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Zero all the time. That's good. All the families here, guys, are having a laugh in the morning. It's good people having positive attitude in the morning. Some people are very grumpy. I've got the professional there with the jigs and the soft plastics there, working it all the way through there. You can see he's got the TT gears. They're portable. He knows what he's doing, well and truly. Low tide's the premium position to get down through here. Look at all the setups. Fantastic, isn't it? It's really, really good. Get your pilchards there, your Q pilchards all the way. Get you a variety of chicken, which is good. Ooh, the breast chicken, very nice. I want to take that home for me to eat, team. Any luck so far? Nothing. Jeez, come on. You got a flatty? Yeah. Very good. Look at that. Look at this, and look. Some of the guys are going. Look at that. Look, what a good start of the morning. How long have you been here for?
Maybe 3 hours.
That's good. Congratulations. I wish I could do that. Thank you. That's a good catch so far for 3 hours. Look at that, the price of fish. I tell you what, very, very good. Very confident young fisherman. And we're going down the back through here now. We'll give a look. And we'll walk back up this way. So if you're not here yet, you'll miss a lot of the slots. Say when you start to get down here about 10 o'clock, you've missed the boat. It'll be a jam-packed day here for families and the people who know how to fish. The best of luck if you do come down here. Remember, fish safe, take your rubbish with you, and fishing etiquette. Just give people space because it's a premium location and you really need to share the space. And we've got a couple of good ones there. Very, very good. Well and truly, I'm amazed at some of the really professional setups the guys have got. It brings a tear to my eye. Very busy. Very, very busy. Oh, we think. Nothing. I thought we had one. I thought we had a low one. Someone going home already, disappointed. The array of different setups, which is good, lightweight. What a top day. So you can see down the back there what I was saying about flathead, the brim. Some big yellowtail being caught. I tell you what, you catch a few of those yellowtail and fillet them, they're quite good to eat. The bigger yellowtail. Big yellowtail are known as cow and young. You normally catch out wide. Very, very good. Come on, more. We want more fish, more fish, more fish. Come on, boys. Everyone smiles, is happy, you know, really good happy place. Everyone's equal. Remember, when you fish this wharf, don't be afraid to try something different. A lot of the guys are trying to find something different and doing something different. It's really, really important. People learning. It's a good learning location. Okay, Shaggers, well, that's another report for you today. I won't be doing the Maroubra Beach reports. Not getting a lot of views on that. And, you know, beaches are beaches. But we'll just continue this for the time being and see if we're getting some good feedback on it. But I hope you're enjoying them. La Perouse is a wonderful place to come down and visit. People in the water down there fishing and working that quiet little corner. You got all people trying all different things. Come down here and try something, but you better hurry. What's going on? Hi. Hey, hello. We're doing a fishing report down through here, and we've got the glamour set down here. So welcome. It all happens down here on a fishing report. The glamours are down here, and it's really, really good to see the girls enjoying themselves. So we're looking at Bear Island this morning, and good morning, Shaggers. It's about 6:30 in the morning. It's coming to a high tide at 12 o'clock today, and we've got a northerly actually blowing, and some of the boats are actually out there at the moment. So we'll head down to the wharf so we can give you an update of what's been happening down there, so you can plan your day. There's a few boats running out. As you can see, the boat ramps have been really pumping this morning to actually get out there and get to the spots of Browns Mountain, and we'll go and have a look at the breakwall at the end for your Kingies and the Yarra Bay Wharf. All right, okay. See you later, girls. Remember, I want you to yell out, "Shag on a rock" for me. Shag on a rock! Yeah, we got him! Yeah!